Cielo has a plumbing company with extensive expertise in working with ceramics and color. First and foremost, they have a keen sense of these color trends and present their products in the most relevant shades. First and foremost, the new products. This is the Cantor model with a very unusual sink, with a very unusual shape, pentagonal, which completely changes the perspective of how the bathroom is perceived. The furniture is exactly the same style as this sink, and the sink is installed on a ceramic countertop. This ceramic countertop is made in the exact same shade, and it has a very nice edge, which also has practical applications. So, nothing drips off the countertop, it's very easy to clean, and everything always looks tidy. Well, by the way, regarding the furniture, it's worth noting that both this model and many other models from Cielo, the furniture facades cover the edge of the countertop. Thus, in my opinion, the item looks more stylish, more cohesive, and there are no unnecessary lines. Otis is a lovely young man whom the goddess Cybele was in love with. Cielo thought, why not add Otis? In the form of ceramics to Cybele. In the form of a bath. And that's how the collection came about, which includes a sink with very interesting graphics. Ceramics are inherently thin-walled, yet the shapes are quite luxurious, generous. There are certain functional finds, for example, a shelf that fits right onto the edge, and, accordingly, it can be placed in a position that suits you best. The towel holder is also very convenient, and the pedestal, shaped like an oval, is also quite original. This collection also features the abbed toilet, which mirrors the shape of the sink. The new item that I really like the most is Ithaca, created by designer Luca Cimaro. Ithaca is the island that Odysseus really wanted to reach, meaning he wanted to return home. And with this collection, Cielo brings us back home, to the roots of ceramics. This is ceramics that looks like ceramics, not some other material. Cute little edges, large shapes. The combination of these volumes tells us all about the solidity of this material. The sinks are offered both with a pedestal solution and as a freestanding version. For the freestanding version, furniture is also offered that will make the washing area truly functional. With freestanding sinks, it looks very monumental, but there's always the question of how to organize storage in the washing area. And here, in my opinion, there's quite an elegant solution that combines both design and color. By the way, the toilet in the Itico collection also looks very monumental and appears as a freestanding piece. Well, if you're not ready to sacrifice practicality for that monumentality, you might prefer the wall-mounted version of this item. The Delphi furniture collection is now also equipped with ceramic countertops featuring edges. In this case, this furniture looks a bit different, perhaps a bit more solid than with those oval pads that the sinks were placed on. It's also worth noting the massive facade with its parametric design. It's made from natural wood. As for colors, it should be noted that there are also shells, Fiotonda, and these countertops, and all the ceramics. They can be made in a wide variety of both matte and glossy colors.
And here's what's new that
Cielo
is showcasing at this show: the ability to combine different colors in ceramics within a single space or even within a single item.
A very good example of this idea in action is the Plinio composition, where the sink has a matte surface, a wooden structure in its natural finish with a very interesting leather accessory. It pairs beautifully with the EBD Mareb toilet, designed by Antonio Rodriguez and Matteo Tuno in a glossy mustard color. And there's one more furniture collection I'd like to mention. This is Cielo, with very expressive, distinctive handles. But the uniqueness of this collection and its special feature lies not only in that, but in the fact that, once again, the facades cover the edge of the countertop. The countertop can be made in ceramics of all colors, and in marble too, and in the marble finish, there's also this lovely edge. The Delphi sinks are undermounted, and can also be made in various colors. These same colors are used for finishing the facades and this furniture collection. For example, the frames of mirrored cabinets can also be made in these same colors. And it is worth remembering that, in addition to the rather expressive furniture collections, which are certainly suitable for large, spacious bathrooms, there are very elegant solutions. For guest bathrooms, if you need such, pay attention to the series.